Welcome to our vegan lasagna recipe tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to make a mouth-watering vegan lasagna that's as satisfying as the traditional version. Let's dive right in. Wait, before starting the video, I introduce you Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, which help you to burn belly fat in 7 days. Now let's start. Step 1. Cook the lasagna noodles. Start by bringing a large pot of water to a boil and cooking your lasagna noodles according to the package instructions. Step 2. Drain and rinse. Once cooked, drain the noodles and rinse them with cold water to prevent sticking. Step 3. Sauté the aromatics. In a skillet, sauté 1 diced onion and 3 cloves of minced garlic in a bit of olive oil until they become fragrant and translucent. Step 4. Add the veggies. Add 1 diced bell pepper and 1 diced zucchini to the skillet. Sauté until the veggies are tender. Step 5. Prepare the tofu ricotta. In a bowl, crumble 14 ounces of firm tofu. This will serve as our ricotta cheese substitute. Step 6. Season the tofu ricotta. To the crumbled tofu, add 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of dried basil, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix well. Step 7. Assemble the lasagna. Grease a baking dish with a bit of olive oil. Start by layering lasagna noodles at the bottom. Step 8. Add tofu ricotta. Spread a layer of the seasoned tofu ricotta on top of the noodles. Step 9. Layer the veggies. Spoon some of the sautéed veggies over the tofu ricotta layer. Step 10. Sauce it up. Pour marinara sauce over the veggies. Step 11. Repeat. Repeat the layering process with more lasagna noodles, tofu ricotta, veggies, and marinara sauce until you've used up all your ingredients. Step 12. Finish with vegan cheese. Sprinkle a generous amount of vegan mozzarella cheese on top of your lasagna. Step 13. Bake. Cover the baking dish with foil and bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes, until the cheese is melted and the lasagna is heated through. Step 14. Uncover and bake. Remove the foil and bake for an additional 10 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and bubbly. Step 15. Serve and enjoy. Allow the lasagna to cool for a few minutes, then slice, serve, and savor the delicious layers of flavor. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a scrumptious recipe like this one.